Hey Drone Nerds, Matt here. Today's video is on the DT1K thermal payload from CZI. The CZI DT1K is a high-resolution thermal payload. It's compatible with the DJI Matrice M350 RTK and M300 aircraft. Engineered for target acquisition at ultra-long distance, it has a 1280 by 1024 resolution sensor with 8x digital zoom and 3-axis gimbal stabilization. This payload is designed for first responders, thermal inspections, and night missions. The high-resolution thermal sensor has great clarity with multiple color palette choices. With a weight of just 1.6 pounds, it is one of the lightest thermal payloads available. And there's also a micro SD card slot for video recording and image capture. It also features temperature readings and shows you the hottest point and coolest point designated by a red and a green triangle on your display. The color palette choices for the DT1K are white hot, fulgurite, iron red, hot iron, medical, arctic, rainbow 1, rainbow 2, tint, and black hot for all your thermal use cases. The PSDK controls on the remote are easy to use, and overall, the CZI DT1K is a great thermal payload. If you have any questions about the CZI DT1K, go ahead and put those down in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you can see all of the latest Drone Nerds content. My name is Matt. Happy flying.